During your free trial, you can add an unlimited number of records for users. You can designate 5 of these as system users with the ability to log in and use Mainsaver Cloud for themselves. Use the System Admin Personnel module to manage users. To add a new user, start by selecting the New button in the toolbar. This will take you to the New Employee page. Enter a unique identifier for the user, as well as their full name. Also, select a status for the user. Optionally, you can select roles for the user with the checkboxes on the right. Roles give users access to certain functionalities and determine which types of records can reference them. Next, in the User section, enter the email address and password that the user should log in with. Assign one or more security groups to the user using the arrow buttons. Security groups determine which data a user can view and which actions they can perform. Finally, select the Save button. The new user will now appear in the grid. You will need to provide the new user with the email address and password that you entered for them, as well as your unique login address. They can then use this information to log in themselves.